Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin rights and closing programs that might lock the file. This frees resources. Once done, stop syncing apps like OneDrive or Dropbox because they often hold handles. Next, enable hidden and system files so you can see the problematic item. Open File Explorer options and select Show Hidden Files. Finally, note the exact path, you'll use it in commands, and reboot into safe mode if the file still resists immediate deletion. You now identify and release locks. Open Task Manager or Process Explorer, locate the process locking the item, and end it. This frees the handle. If permissions block you, run takeown/fc, /path/file, then icackles c, /path/file, /grant %username %, to claim it. Once owned, open an elevated command prompt and use del or rd with the exact path, or use sysinternal's handle. exe to close open handles. These steps change ownership and remove in-use obstacles. To finish, boot into safe mode or use the Windows recovery command prompt and delete the item by path. Safe mode minimizes locked resources. If errors persist, run chkdsk/f on the drive to repair file system issues, then retry deletion after a reboot. As a last resort, boot a lightweight Linux USB or Windows PE, mount the drive, and remove the file there. This bypasses Windows locks. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion still fails, verify disk health. A failing drive can present phantom files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.